Get ready to embark on a mind-bending cosmic adventure as we delve into the astonishing world of 8 space discoveries with profound consequences. Brace yourself for mind-blowing revelations that will challenge your perception of the universe as we uncover the extraordinary implications that these groundbreaking findings have on our understanding of existence itself. From mind-bending theories to awe-inspiring phenomena, this captivating exploration will leave you in awe of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos, forever changing the way you view our place in the grand tapestry of space and time. Discoveries that comply with cosmological models are like a scientific pat on the back. But the ones that don't hold up to previous standards excite the imagination the most because they imply a more mysterious, dynamic, and maybe even scarier universe. Sometimes we get a little too sure of our scientific knowledge. These latest discoveries show us just how much we don't know and how much we'll have to rethink our previous theories about the final frontier. Here are such 8 space discoveries. 1. A supernova birthed our solar system. Every cosmic catastrophe is just the birth of some other phenomenon. A supernova, for example, might spark a solar system into life, our solar system. The solar system began as a debris cloud, which coagulated into countless bodies that drifted together or apart to form the 8 planets and miscellaneous rocks we call home. But that process needed a catalyst. Like the supernova, the evidence comes from isotopes in ancient meteorites. One of these is iron-60, which decays into nickel-60 and is produced by certain stars and supernova. The meteorites contained this telltale nickel-60, suggesting a supernova shockwave punched the solar system to life. This implies that supernovae across the universe could be continuously birthing new solar systems. 2. Proxima b is probably scorched and barren. Only 4.2 light-years away, the red dwarf Proxima Centauri is our closest stellar neighbor, and it harbors an Earth-like habitable zone planet, Proxima. But it's probably barren. In March 2017, astronomers watched Proxima Centauri grow 1,000 times brighter over 10 seconds, suggesting either a catastrophic flare or extraterrestrial weapons testing. Despite the star's small mass, the eruption was 10 times larger than the sun's mightiest outbursts. At 4.85 billion years old, Proxima b has probably been absorbing similar hits for aeons now. Its atmosphere and water would have long been stripped away by the intense radiation, so the relativistic probes of the future are unlikely to find any interesting biology at their first destination. 3. Supergigantic stars are surprisingly plentiful. The universe appears to be far more spangled with massive stars, 10 or more solar masses, than formerly indicated. Astronomers surveyed the 180,000 light-year distant Tarantula Nebula, Aka 30 Doradus, a prominent stellar nursery, and found 30% more extremely massive stars than expected. And the most massive stars are getting upgraded. It was believed that 200 solar masses was the upper limit, but astronomers are raising that figure to 300 solar masses. This implies a much more violent universe with 70% more supernova and a 180% increase in black hole formation. 4. The universe is teeming with synestias. Planetary bodies came in about 2 flavors, planets and ringed planets. But that family just expanded with the addition of the synestia, a much bigger cloud of vaporized rock shaped like a red blood cell. These wispy monsters are the result of catastrophic crashes between 2 rapidly spinning, planet-sized chunks. The angular momentum from each body is conserved and whips up their shattered remains into a puff of molten debris with no solid or liquid surface. It's crazy to think that there's a theoretically super common, entirely new type of planetary body that we haven't directly observed yet. Probably because it doesn't last very long, maybe only 100 years, a hilariously infinitesimal span in cosmic terms. 5. Stars can be smaller and colder than planets. We picture even the wimpiest stars being far more substantial than, say, a planet. But astronomers have just discovered the cutest, littlest star ever, EPLMJ055557 AB. It's only 600 light-years away, and its radius and mass are only about 8% that of the Sun. It's so small that it's only a hair larger than Saturn, so it wouldn't even be the largest planet in our solar system thanks to Jupiter. It's even colder than some gas giant exoplanets. EPLMJ055557 AB straddles the threshold of stellar mass, just barely beefy enough to fuse hydrogen into helium and avoid a fate of undignified brown weariness. 6. TRAPPIST-1 is too old for life. The seven-planet TRAPPIST-1 system, discovered in February 2017, is a prime suspect in the search for alien life, with multiple potentially habitable planets. At least it was when its age was estimated at 500 million years old. But new criteria, including the system's speed around the center of the galaxy, the star's metal content, and chemical absorption lines, suggest that the TRAPPIST family is at least as old as our solar system and potentially twice as old at 9.8 billion years. So it's unlikely to host life, as it was probably sterilized by flares long ago, a cosmic tragedy and reminder of how rare life may be. 7. Dark matter may be disappearing. Dark matter seems immortal and ever-present, but a new monkey wrench in the gears paints dark matter as an unstable entity. Fluctuations detected 300,000 years after the Big Bang didn't match the speed of expansion of the universe given by models. This could be explained by decaying dark matter, which existed at the dawn of time but has since decayed into neutrinos or hypothetical particles. The analysis says the current universe is 5% poorer in the dark matter because some of it decays and some of it doesn't. These unstable constituents may have all died out after the first several hundreds of thousands of years. Then again, maybe they didn't, because they may still be decaying and constantly changing the layout of the future universe. 8. The first exomoon. The spaceborne Kepler spacecraft has discovered thousands of exoplanets but no exomoons, which might be because they're hiding around the planets farthest out from their stars. Recently, Twitter broke the news that astronomers may have detected the first extrasolar moon. They discovered a planet candidate, Kepler 1625b, which obscures a curious amount of light from its star. The lopsided light dip outlines Kepler 1625 is a heaving Jupiter-sized body with a Neptune-sized companion moon. Astronomy is finally on the brink of glimpsing alien moons. This means a significant boost in the search for habitable bodies, though further review with Hubble is necessary to consolidate the claim. As we come to the riveting conclusion of our exploration into 8 space discoveries with profound consequences, we are left in awe of the transformative power that lies within the depths of the cosmos. From the revelation of dark matter's pervasive influence to the mind-bending implications of gravitational waves, these discoveries have forever altered our understanding of the universe and the fundamental forces that govern it. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.